doing there, little chicken? Always the sleeping chicken. Oh, oh, it's attacking the guinea chickens, guinea hens. I don't think that's in focus. I can't tell though. The sun's glaring on the LCD or whatever. Hey, don't get that! No, chickens! Ah, chickens! What are you pecking me for? I'm not food. I'm just a camera guy. Asking those chickens why they're pecking me. What are you doing? It's that bandit chicken. Got that mask on. Thinks she can get away with stuff. Oh! She took off. Uh-oh, we got a lone guinea here. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Ooh, they're my favorite chicken, the black one.